Hey guys, ever struggled to look for a single DIN radio that'll give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly? Look no further than right here, the MPPLAY. Awesome single DIN chassis, ready to go into the multiple applications. You got customers who have that single DIN radio that they can't find a radio replacement for, or have the ability to have an application of an aftermarket CarPlay or Android Auto from ZZ2. Now you can upgrade them with the cost affordable, awesome new piece here called the MPPLAY. I'm going to show you how quickly it connects to Apple CarPlay. Simply open your Bluetooth, find the unit in your Bluetooth. It's going to give you the 3 prompts. First, we're going to pair with it. Then we're going to allow it to use our contacts. And then the third prompt's going to be use CarPlay. As you can see, boom. Give it just a second. We'll have CarPlay up on the screen. Super fast, super responsive, ready to go. You now have the luxuries of the 21st century at your fingertips. As you can see, easy to swipe, nice, crystal clean, super 1080p resolution. Looks just like it had come from the factory. It's a 2023 model. You put this in 90s models vehicles, early 2000s, even back as early as late as the 80s, you can have them in there. You're in CarPlay mode, you want to get back to radio mode? Simple touch of your car home. It's going to take you back to the home screen. Then you can choose from radio, go to your radio preset stations if need be, or you can go to something you might have a USB plugged in where you want to plug in maybe one of our ZZ Air Pros or potentially one of our Zeus Ultra 2s. You could then plug it into one of the outlets, and then you would have your favorite streaming service right on your screen as well. Nice grip it and rip it volume knob for those that want it, or it does have a responsive touch screen. You can see the volume bar going up and down. You can use a touchscreen bar on the screen as well. To get back into it, it's as simple as pushing CarPlay. It'll take you right back into the CarPlay mode. We'll have this available in our South Florida warehouse. Should be by the middle of July, but definitely by the end of July. So if it's something you're interested in, which I think it's going to be a great item for you guys to put in stock and have available for your customers, because the retail prices on this is going to drive your customers insane, and they're going to come through the doors like you haven't seen in several years. So reach out to us here at 929-220-1212 or zz-2.com, or reach out to your distributor for more information.